G'day, if we haven't met before, my name is Shah, and welcome to a new segment where we put the question to you, go or no go. We take a look at places and activities requested by you, the viewer, and discuss things like how to get to your spot and what's on offer once you get there, and see if it's worth your while to go. Is it a go or is it a no-go? This week we had a request from Wesley to take a look at kayaking at Lake Wivenhoe, so let's go check it out.
Go, no go for launch.
Don't forget, if you are new here, to hit that subscribe button below and enable notifications so I can keep you up to date with any new adventures that are released. A special thank you once again to all my channel sponsors and all my returning good friends who like, comment and share the channel and have helped us get to where we are today. Alright then, let's get into it. Lake Wivenhoe is situated about an hour and a half northwest of Brisbane. You can trek out via the Ipswich motorway or go up and over Mount Glorious. The choice is yours. Today we are headed out via the motorway. Along this route, while there may not be as much to see as over the mountains and rainforest via Glorious, there are still some great drawcards for the journey, like the historic Fernvale Bakery for a delicious pie or pastry. To answer Wesley's question on places to kayak here, the first option is at Billies Bay and Hayes Inlet. Both sites are a minute away from each other and both have boat ramps and driving access right down to the water. The water is shallow and clear and the ground is firm, which makes launching a breeze. They also offer facilities for picnics, barbecues, fishing and water sports. Your hot tips here? Wivenhoe is a large dam at 110 square kilometres and as such can suffer from chop on windy days, so it's always a good idea to find sites that have options to allow for this. Both sites are also not too busy in peak times like weekends, which is a big drawcard for those in the know. So what do you think? Well, it's a bit early yet, I guess. Well, it's not up to us anyway. That's right, it's up to you. That's enough from you. You can go now. If you're getting some value from this video and my channel, please drop a like with the button below and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think our next outing should be. Our next launch point is at Logan Inlet boat ramp, which as well as having awesome access to Lake Wivenhoe, also has a great day use area and 2 campsites that are all right on the water. Alright, here we are at the Logan Inlet boat ramp. Let's check it out. This area offers a wide range of outdoor recreational facilities for camping, picnics, swimming, fishing, kids playgrounds and water sports. The hot tip here, for those interested in camping, sites adjacent to the boat ramp are provided at Captain Logan and Lumley Hill areas. These managed camping facilities include hot showers, barbecues and toilets and are abundant with wildlife, featuring kangaroos that lays on the shoreline in front of your campsite with you. So there you go, Wesley. I hope that answers your question and gives you some options for kayaking here at Wivenhoe. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Please copy the link above and share it with your friends so we can share this beautiful country of ours with more people. If you're getting some value from this video and my channel, drop a like with the button below and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think our next outing should be.